Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to print checks from NetSuite with custom layout. I have here a sample check I want to print. To print checks in NetSuite, start by navigating to Transactions, Management, Print Checks and Forms. Click the Checks link. Set the account for the checks you wish to print. Then, check the box next to each check you want to include in the print batch. If needed, you can also manually enter a check number before printing. Here's how the check currently appears when printed. Now, let's move on to updating the custom form to adjust the layout and formatting to better match our needs. To begin updating the check form, navigate to the Transaction Forms section. Go to Customization, Forms, Transaction Forms. I've set the library content form as the preferred check form. Now, to assign a custom PDF template, edit the custom check form. In the form settings, locate the Print Template field. Select the desired Advanced PDF HTML template. Save the form. Next is to navigate to Customization, Forms, Advanced PDF/HTML templates. From this screen, you can select the preferred custom template you'd like to use for check printing. As an example, I have a custom template prepared where I've added the check number to appear at the bottom of the layout, in addition to the default placement. Unlike the default template, where the check number appears only in the top right corner of the check. Remember to set the print template to the custom PDF template to print the check correctly. Let's go back to the check record, set the form to the new custom form you want to use, and check the To Be Printed box. This ensures the check will be reprinted using the updated layout from your custom form. Now, go back to the Print Checks page and reprint the check. You can now see that the check number appears at the bottom part of the printed check form, just as we customized it, making it more visible. And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching.